One EDU videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. And this one is from Browning Pro Steel, and this one is called the Browning 1878 65T. This is an American-made product. This is made in Utah, okay? So it's 11 gauge steel, door and body. Difference being is that the door actually has an inner plate as well, which is made from a 12 gauge steel, giving the door a lot of thickness. We've got 14 of these 1¼ inch diameter bolts, and we've got them going up both sides and across the top on this model. They CNC all of these steel accents in and out 10,000 times. Right here in the DPX door system is 90 minutes at 1,680 degrees. This is unique to Browning Pro Steel, this interior setup. They have multiple patents on their interior, so nobody else can make exactly what they do.